Congratulations, first of all, Jane, on today's win, 1-0 win against Slovakia. From your point of view, how did the match go?
Very happy with the performance from all the girls today. 1-0 victory. Win is obviously what we were aiming for. Created many opportunities, which I'm even happier for than the actual scoreline. So seeing the girls perform today and seeing them do the things we've been asking of them in training is fantastic for us. But onwards and upwards is still things we need to correct, and we will do some of that now over the next few days and look forward to the game on Wednesday.
So between training and this match, is your message coming across?
Yeah, I'd like to think so. I think the girls are working extremely hard for us. We're testing them every training session, every game we play. There's changes to how they've played in the past as a group and as individuals, but they're responding really well and performing really well.
And it was a solid performance from the players and a great goal for Helen as well. Are you pleased with the chance she took?
Yeah, really pleased with the opportunities we created as a team, and really pleased for Helen to take that goal today, because she's obviously come back from giving birth fairly recently, and she's finding her feet again, finding her fitness, finding her form, and each game she plays she's doing better and better. So I'm really looking forward to her performing now over the next few months and years with us as a group.
And this was your first game on home soil as well, and a win, so it's a great start for you.
Yeah, loads of good things today. Sun shining, pitch is lovely, 1-0 win. What can I ask for?
Brilliant. In terms of the next encounter now against Slovakia, what will you be looking for? Will you be looking to change the team around a little? Or?
Yeah, look, we've got a squad of 23 players at the moment. We will be rotating certain elements of the team. All the girls in the squad are good enough to be in this squad, and they will be given an opportunity either this week or down the line in the future. So more than likely there will be a few changes.